Hi, my name is Nehemia. I'm going to tell you about the feeding of the 5,000. Jesus and his disciple were talking to a crowd of people when they learned that John the Baptist had been killed by Herod. The busy professor feast was to take place soon, so they decided to go somewhere quiet to rest and think. Jesus and his disciples climbed into a boat and sailed across the sea to Galilee, to the north shore. But when Jesus looked around him, he saw huge crowds walking over on donkeys, coming toward him along the coast. When they arrived, Jesus felt sorry for those people who wanted to be taught, so he began to teach them. Jesus talked until it was very late. You should send the people away. Now, Jesus said the disciples, they were hungry, and we have no food to give them. But Jesus knew what to do. He told the disciples to go find what food they could. The disciples found a young boy who had 2 fish and 5 loaves of bread, which was not nearly enough to feed the thousand of people who had gathered around Jesus. But Jesus took the fish and the bread, loaves, and blessed them, and when they were given out to the crowd to eat, everyone got enough to stave their hunger. There were even 12 baskets of bread left over.
What's this?
Luke 9, verse 17. They ate until everyone was full. Then they gathered up 12 baskets of broken pieces that were left over.